Good afternoon, I'm meteorologist Adam Baker with this week's webinar. As an overview for the next week, we're going to be watching an approaching front and a weak disturbance this weekend that will increase some shower and general storm chances. We're not looking at any severe storms with this system, and it's likely that Saturday will have the greatest chance, but overall fairly low rainfall amounts. Then we'll have a mostly dry start to next week, and then we're watching a potential for a stronger, more prolonged system Wednesday and possibly later after that. With this system, we could have more widespread shower and storm potential and also heavier rainfall. Temps throughout the whole period look to be mainly above average. Here's your current conditions out there. We're watching a few isolated showers in parts of central Georgia. Otherwise, nice partly cloudy skies farther north, and most temperatures getting into the mid to upper 70s already. So to break it down into this first system, for Friday it looks like we're going to have an approaching weak front from the northwest, as you can see between the low pressure system going across the far northern part of the country, and then a high pressure that's building into the central plains west of the area. This front does look like it's going to slow down and stall across parts of the area for Saturday and potentially part of Sunday. So this will increase some general chances for showers and storms. Now, after that dry period I mentioned for Monday and Tuesday, this other system going into Wednesday is going to have several different stronger features with it. A deepening upward disturbance to the west and possible stronger moisture advection coming off the Gulf of Mexico. And these features with another possible stalled front could actually result in much more widespread showers and storms and also a decently heavy rainfall. But again, this is pretty late in the forecast, so we're going to be watching for any likely changes to this. To break it down into the chances overall for showers and storms, today it's just mainly slight to low end chance across central Georgia, nice partly cloudy skies farther north, and then increasing chances for tomorrow farther north and west of the area. Again, no severe are expected. And here's your weekend rain chances. Saturday on the left is going to be the greatest chance for any showers or storms. Also no severe expected. And then going into Sunday, we'll be on the decrease, and we'll see, we'll get better timing ideas as this gets into the short-term period. Here's the overall rainfall outlook. Broke it down into the first 5 days on the left, which is mainly the weekend system. Looking at very relatively low amounts for that system, maybe upwards of a quarter to half an inch in parts of the far north. But really we're focusing on that days 6 to 7, which is going to be mainly next Wednesday and thereafter. But even in this last part of the forecast period, we're starting to forecast, upwards of, potentially over 2 inches of rainfall with that next system. So definitely we're going to be watching this closely, and if there's any increased flood potential with that. And here's a 7-day forecast for Blairsville in the far north, Atlanta, and then Macon farther southeast. Highlighted the green areas here, Friday into Sunday for the first period of generally low impact showers and storms, and then again at the end of the forecast period we're going to be watching potential for increased coverage and perhaps intensity with showers and storms for that Wednesday system. And here's the 8 to 14 day outlook. For Georgia here on the left, you can see there's not really much of a signal for anything that's above or below normal for precip as far as we go beyond the next week. And then even for temperature, there's more of a gradient across the area, so perhaps the far north and west could have a greater chance for lower temps, and then parts of the southeast could have a little bit greater chance for above normal. And here's the latest tropical update. We still have Epsilon out there. It's supposed to still be a fish storm, no impact to the eastern part of the country. It should just stay out to sea. And then there is another area that they're looking at that's got a 30% chance of development in the next 5 days. But it should have no impact across the area for right now. Again, to sum it up, we're watching mainly 2 systems, a weaker one this weekend, then a potentially stronger one going into midweek next week. and overall temps should stay mainly above normal. Thank you, and feel free to reach out to us with any questions. Have a good week.